In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable for video reviews. Now, in creating video reviews, what you can do is choose a template. Now, by choosing a template, we will have a clear view on how much Airtable can go. So on the left-hand side, head over to the bottom, choose Templates and Applications. From here, you can simply head over to the top and left corner. Let's say we will search for a video review or a video production or anything that is listed as a video. So within video reviews, we have here a video production template, an in-house video production template, or a digital video production template. If you want to create video reviews, then you can choose either a video production or a digital video production. So I will choose a video production template. It will load the preview, but if you want to check it out already, on the left-hand side, you can choose to try this template. And from here, you can choose a workspace. Let's say on my company, at the bottom, click on Create. And once you click on Create, it will start creating the template. Once it's done, as you can see, this is what it would look like. On the left-hand side, you can use Omni AI to change the things that would match. So in here, we have here install the development and pre-production. At the bottom, let's say that we want to create this into a video review. Now, within a video production template, as you can see here, we have a grid view for all of the content ideas. So in here at the top, we have different types of tables. One is the idea development, the pitches. We have a pitch, a distribution partners for our partnerships or collabs, and we also have the talent. So within the talent, as you can see, it will list down all of the agents and the projects. So if you want to edit the whole thing, what you can do is simply head over to a table first, and I do suggest you edit it within a grid view. So within a grid view, let's say I want to change a title. I will make it big, such as an example. If I press on enter, and let's change the view to a gallery, it will load the view. And as you can see, it will automatically change what I have changed within a single view. So it is pretty much easy. Once you have a template, just make sure to change it that matches to your exact production. Let's say a video review, you can change the arts, you can change the genres, everything in here will automatically be changed for each and every view, and it will also affect the different tables if they are connected. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.